He once begged God for a breakthrough. Now, he became the answer to someone else's prayer. Hello friends. Welcome back to this uplifting episode of Christian Morning Motivation. You're not here by mistake or by accident. God is talking to you. God is uplifting you. God is changing every bad situation in your life and blessing you beyond measures. God is turning everything around for good. So don't skip. Stay till the end of this video and see your faith growing stronger, and every impossibilities in your life becoming possible. Because God is faithful and He never fails. Please do me a favor. By liking the video, share with families and friends, comment on the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks a lot for helping me grow. The storm had passed, but Daniel was no longer the same man. He was back on his feet, not just financially, spiritually. A new job had come, unexpected and undeserved in his eyes. It wasn't just a position, it was a purpose, a leadership role in a company that respected character over credentials. A place where integrity still mattered, and even more than the salary or status. His mother was healing, slowly, steadily. She still needed help walking, but she could speak again, she could pray again. And when she whispered, "Thank you, Jesus," from her hospital bed, Daniel knew the silence from heaven had never meant abandonment. It meant preparation. But even in this new chapter, Daniel was restless. Success didn't thrill him like it once did. He no longer cared about applause, promotions, or praise. The man who used to chase comfort now craved compassion. He wanted to give back what he had received. The silent miracles, the hidden mercy, the divine provision that had carried him through. And then one rainy morning, everything changed. Daniel was rushing into his office, dodging puddles and the city's cold wind, when he saw a figure crouched by the side of the building, soaked, shivering, young, maybe 19, head down, clothes worn, hands clenched tightly around his stomach. At first, Daniel walked past him, but something pulled at his spirit. He remembered what it felt like to sit in the cold, not physically, but spiritually, forgotten, alone, defeated. He turned back. "Hey," he said softly, kneeling beside him. "You okay?" The boy didn't respond at first, but Daniel waited. Then came a whisper. "I haven't eaten in 2 days. I applied for a job in this building, but they never called. I don't know what else to do." Daniel didn't lecture him. He didn't judge him. He listened. He walked him to a nearby diner, bought him hot food, sat with him like a brother would. And then, just before they parted ways, Daniel pulled out an envelope. Inside was cash, enough for the next few days. But also something more. A referral, a job opportunity, a handwritten note. "God hasn't forgotten you. He's just getting started." The young man stared at it, then looked up at Daniel, eyes red with tears. He didn't say much, just one word, over and over. "Why?" Daniel smiled. "Because I was you, not long ago." That night, Daniel went home, sat on his bed beside his wife, and wept. Not tears of sorrow, tears of purpose. He finally understood what it was all for. Every unanswered prayer, every night he questioned God, every moment he wanted to quit. God hadn't just rescued him, He had repurposed him. Daniel began to live differently. He spoke to strangers with kindness. He became the one who left envelopes anonymously. He prayed with coworkers who felt lost. He volunteered at hospitals. He sat with the grieving. He mentored the broken. He didn't just tell people that God was real. He showed them. He became the living proof that pain isn't the end, it's the beginning of purpose. You're not just being tested, you're being trusted. Why me? Now every morning, he wakes up and whispers. Daniel once looked up at the ceiling and screamed, "Thank you for choosing me." Because now he sees clearly. His pain became a platform. His silence became strength. His storm became shelter for someone else. And if you're watching this, still stuck in the fire, still asking why, still trying to make sense of the silence, let Daniel's story remind you, you're not being buried. You're being planted, and what's growing inside of you will be someone else's miracle tomorrow. Keep going, keep trusting. Heaven is working, even in the dark. Hope this video touched and inspired you. Thanks for staying and watching till the end of this episode. See you in the next video. Bye.